Hey everybody, this is Ashkan from the Hired AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly build an AI voice agent inside of 11 Labs website. In case you're not familiar with us, we have a community on the school platform which we teach you how to build an end-to-end AI system inside of your company that books you more than 15 sales calls per day, fully automated and only within 8 days of your learning process. Also, this is a private community for business owners looking to integrate AI agents into their businesses to get more than 15 qualified meetings a day fully automated. We have generated over 2,000 qualified calls for our clients purely using AI and have helped them sell over $5 million across industries such as solar energies, real estate, insurance companies, vending machines, and more. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys, first of all, how to actually create a fully automatic agent inside of your 11 Labs dashboard. And after that, I'm going to tell you how to import a phone number from your Twilio account, which is actually provider for uh, phone numbers. And then after that, I'm going to tell you and teach you how to trigger a call using different automation services and websites like make.com or different CRM website that you can maybe probably name yourself. For example, like Go High Level or other stuff that you guys are using. I'm not going to get into a lot of depth about this part of the video. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of how the integrations work for 11 Labs and Make.com. And for Twilio, uh, we can just quickly see the part in the video. It's just like adding some credentials and some kind of this stuff. For the creation part of the agent, we are going to explain it to you guys. And also at the end of the video, I'm going to give a quick overview and a comparison uh, for these four different providers that provide different AI voice agents, which you can use or integrate in your different automations. It's just going to be a really quick overview and comparison, so you can see it at the end of the video. Also, we have previously teamed up with a real estate company, and during the cooperation, here are the statistics that we have gathered. You can just pause the video and see them yourself, see how it is going. Actually, everything is written down here, and all of them are in diagrams and stuff. But you can see that we have during our cooperation, we have made something around 3,000 new lead calls with the only cost of $160. That's a really low amount comparing it to actual human employees, which also have less performance than AI. AI never is going to need rest. They never need weekends or anything like that. We have made a total call number of 6,500 total calls, as you can see, and also you can see that we have uh, made around 40 interested customers out of these 3,000 new lead calls, which, if you do the math, is something around 1.3% of the new lead calls, which in this sector, which is real estate, is a really good number. So, yep, here's for this part, and let's get into the real video. So, yep, as I told you guys, I'm going to explain these. Also, here is 11 Labs. Okay, I'm inside my 11 Labs dashboard. Here, the new conversational AI, which they've newly added to 11 Labs. You just select your agents. You're going to hit the plus sign, create a new agent. You can name it. In this case, I'm going to name it Dexter Morgan, as usual, if you have seen the previous videos, because I like that name. Oops, I think I messed up a little bit. Let me just put that aside. Okay. And I'm going to do it from scratch so you guys see the whole process. Clicking on the create agent button and waiting for it to load up. Okay, here we have it. Here is our agent. Okay, so as you can see, there are 6 different parts for your voice AI agent. Here's the agent itself. You can select the LLM. It's actually the brain part of your agent. Here you can select the voice and other things related to the voice or text to speech part. Here is the analysis part, which you can prompt the AI so it can give you the requested data or summary. Okay, so here we also have the security part, which can enable the authentication method, which is going to make the users be required to authenticate before connecting to the agent. You can make an allow list of the hosts that you that can connect to the agent. Uh, Here is also the enable override options, which, as it said here, choose which parts of the config can be overridden by the client at the start of the conversation. Here are again four options that you can also turn on in this part. We go to the advanced section. We have the turn timeout. As written here, it says that the maximum number of seconds since the user last spoke. If exceeded, the agent will respond for a forced turn. It's self-explanatory again. No need to explain it. Max conversation duration. It's by default set to 300 seconds, which is equivalent to 5 minutes. You can basically change that again also. So let's say if you're going to have a call for 10 minutes on maximum. So I'm going to do it for 600 seconds. Here you can define a comma separated list of keywords that have a higher likelihood of being predicted correctly. So that's again nothing to be worried about. The user input audio format, which again you can make it as you like. You got two available formats. The client events that you can send through the webhook or the URL. These are the stuff. The first one, the audio and the interruptions, I think, are set by default, but you can add the other stuff by yourself. And again, we have privacy settings. You can store the calls or either not store them. So you have the call recordings in your database. That's it for the advanced part. And we also have a widget part, which you can copy this aimed code and you just paste it in your own website. So you have something exactly like this start a call widget, and you can have it on your own website. You can also customize your own agent and have this on your own website. Here you can see that it gives you the option to customize this widget with no code needed, no coding knowledge needed at all. You can select the colors. You see it's going to change. So here, let's just quickly change them a little bit. That's it for this. You can customize it in some different categories. Maybe the text that is showing as the button. So let's say it's going to show us click the button. Oh, shit, it's in a different language. Click the button just would be enough. Yeah, something like that. As you can see, it's changing on live time. That's it for this part again. Let me go back to the agent itself. So as you can see, I have prompted the agent using AI again. So as we have previously told you guys, we use AI to prompt AI. That's the best way to train an AI, so it acts accordingly. I'm not going to go in detail about the prompting part of the AI because this video is not titled as AI prompting. So just let me tell you that I have copy and pasted the prompt that I asked from Claude AI. I gave Claude AI a task to give me a prompt for a real estate agent that does this or does that, and it should be in an organized way. As you can see, it's categorized so the AI can digest the prompt in a smaller chunks, so it would be easier for him or her to understand. Again, here's the LLM you can choose. In my case, I've chosen GPT-4o Mini, which would be also fast and cheap compared to the other ones. Also, we have one other thing that I think I missed here. Yeah, I think I talked about the first message, right? Here you can just type in your first message. This is going to be the first thing that the AI is going to say after the phone has been picked up. The agent language would be English. In my case, we have a couple of different language options available also. The temperature is the temperature actually defines how your AI is going to act. So the higher the amount of temperature, the more creative and the more newly added ideas are going to get produced throughout the conversation. But the less you put the temperature bar, it's going to make the AI agent act uh, more accordingly, actually more according to your system prompts. That's exactly the thing that you see is written here also. The limit token usage is for your API token, which is actually going to be how many tokens can your AI agent use from your API model or your LLM. The knowledge base, you can add different kind of files or text or maybe URL websites that can provide your AI agent with different knowledge. Let's assume that you have a list of products with different pricings and you don't want to put it in the prompting section, so you just put it in a document, maybe a PDF file or something, and add it here. Here you can define a secret. So the tool is used in a more secure way. As you can see, it's said here also. It says define secure secrets that can be used in tools. So no need to talk about that. And the last part in this section, which what was the section name? It was agent. Yeah. So the last part for this agent section would be the tools, which is exactly the same function call or tool call or whatever you call it, named in our VAPI AI assistant. It's going to do the same job. So you can here select a webhook, just copy and paste a webhook. In our cases, you have seen that we usually use make.com scenarios for the tools, and you can name it, you can describe it, and here you can basically customize it as you want and make the tool do whatever you want. And also here is actually the other part of the configuration of the tool. You can also add parameters, which in WAPI AI would be strings that you could have customized it to strings or numbers or booleans or whatever you want. So it's going to give you exact parameters of variables while using the tool. No need to explain that part again. You can see that everything is self-explained here. It's just basic tool call function, which is also said in our WAPI videos. You can go watch them. And also, yeah, I think that was it for this part. Let's give a test for the AI agent. Okay, I'm going to just trigger a random call with the AI agent. Let's see how it works.
Hello, this is Dexter Morgan from Reality Estaters.
Hey, who's that again? I'm sorry. Okay, I think that's because of internet problem issues. Let's just customize the voice again while it's going to be fixed. Back to the agents, back to our agent, the voice part. I think that maybe we could use a better voice. I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't want to add it to my voices. I just want to use for this situation. Okay, how about this? Okay, you need to add it to your voices. I don't want to. Okay, let's test it again and see how it works. So I hope that we have passed the issues with our internet connection.
Hello, this is
Hello?
Dexter Morgan from Reality Estaters.
Hey, why did you call me? Okay, it's not working for me because I have internet problem. Let's just give it another try, one more last time.
Hello, this is Dexter Morgan from Reality Estaters.
Hey, why did you call me? Hey, Dexter Morgan, why did you call me?
I'm reaching out to discuss potential real estate opportunities that may interest you. I would love to learn more about your needs and see how we can assist you. Are you currently considering buying or selling a property?
Yeah, maybe. I think I'm going to buy a property. Okay, now it's working.
That's great to hear. Buying a property is an exciting step. Can you share a bit more about what you're looking for? For example, do you have a specific timeline in mind? Any particular property preferences or budget range?
Yeah, I think I have 100K. Okay, guys, you can see that I have internet problem issues.
I apologize if my response seemed unclear. I'm here to help you explore your real estate options and gather information about your needs.
Yeah,
If you're
as you can
considering
see, it's just not letting me use the AI agent correctly. It's because of my internal issues. But you guys, if you guys are familiar with these kind of content, you should know that should work pretty well. It's just because of internet issues. You saw that we went pretty well with the first message. It was kind of following the system prompt. And since I told you this video is not going to be an exact prompt engineering guide, I just pasted the system prompt. So it's just going to act somehow. That's it for this part. Let me tell you quickly how you can insert your Twilio phone number inside of this AI agent. You just go to the phone number section. Here you click on import a phone number, your country code, then you paste your phone number, your Twilio SID, and that's your Twilio API key token. And that's that easy, nothing to really be worried about. Also, one thing that I can tell you that you can also use your own cloned voice or maybe someone else's cloned voice in here. By going to the voices, you can create a new clone of someone or even your voice. So instead of having these ready to use voice templates, you can just create your own cloned voice. And that's it for 11 Labs side. Now I'm going to quickly show you how you can integrate your AI agent with other automation platforms like make.com. Okay, so we open a real quick scenario in make.com. If you search for 11 Labs, you can see that it comes up. You click on the make an API call module. You just connect your account like this. You click add, you paste your API key, and you just name it as you want. Here is now your uh, make a call a module for your make.com. You paste the URL of 11 Labs website. The method should be on get method. The content type would be application/JSON. Let me just quickly show you where you can create a JSON request body of the data you actually want to use for an API call. So here you come in the Rappi's assistant. I'm sorry, it was called 11 Labs Assistant. You should actually, I think, go to. Let me just quickly take a look, so I'm not going to misinform you guys. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So in your AI agent, you click here SDK documents. I think you can use this part because it's going to move us to the documentary. Yeah, you come down to the conversational AI over here, API references section. You can basically create your own JSON body request. So here, basically, it's giving you the option to add any kind of property inside of the JSON body request. So again, that's it for this part. This was the URL that you need to paste. It should be on get method. You are watching it as it is shown here. And yeah, and that's it for the integration part. You can basically expand your scenario and do whatever you want with it. Here's again also our school community, which if you ever find out that you're liking our content and you can relate it to your business and you want these AI solutions to fit your business model, you can consider joining it. And after joining our community, you will have 24/7 support. We will provide you with Q&A sessions weekly. And we also have ready to use templates and snapshots of our fully automatic voice agents, even on make.com and also on Go High Level platform, which you can use them to jumpstart your AI journey. And for the last part, which I told you about in the first minute of the video, I'm going to quickly give you an explanation of uh, actually give you a quick comparison between these four platforms. So let's just be quick. I've already written down the numbers. You can see all of them down here. Uh, so you can just pause the video and read the numbers and the pricings for these. So in our opinion, we personally recommend using VAPI AI, since you have previously seen that we mostly use VAPI AI in our own business. And 11 Labs is actually pretty good. As you have seen in today's video, it was not that bad. Also, the thing is that the AI employee for Go High Level platform is actually pretty new and really needs a lot of uh, improvements, if you know what I mean. So, uh, according to the price and also the performance and the availability for integration to different platforms, in this case, VAPI AI is still our own personal opinion. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this type of content and today's video. I will provide you with more AI automations and things relatable to voice AI agents in the next videos. That's it for today. See you in the next one.